Hello and welcome to the Roadmap of Learning Discrete Mathematics. In this episode, we'll do a quick overview of what we will be learning in this course and the kind of overall sequence that you'll learn these in. So first, we'll get into introductory set theory. This is basically just a non-in-depth basic understanding of set theory. We will basically go over the basic definition and a few things such as subsets and things like that. Next, we get into propositional logic, aka compound statement logic, and then that'll tie into quantified statement logic. So those two kind of tie together. And then quantified statement logic ties into elementary number theory, in which we will provide proofs for number theory using the previous kind of courses. Then we get into sequences, such as what happens when you add this prime number to this integer 5 times and stuff like that. Then you get into more advanced set theory, in which we'll look at kind of concepts of doing operations to sets, such as unions and intersections. And then this will tie into the functions, which is an important part in algebra, calculus, and a lot of other kind of continuous mathematical forms. Then we get into relations, which can be thought about as it's kind of like it ties into functions in which you can map one thing to another thing by using a function. And we get into counting and probability, which is as it sounds. And then graphs and trees, which are kind of a more graphical representation of certain subjects. Then we get into algorithmic efficiency, which can be thought about as basically, is this the shortest, most efficient path to do this certain algorithm? It's like if you want to sort a list of names, what is the best algorithm to do so? Then we get into finite state automata, which actually has quite a lot of uses in the real world. So we'll learn about those. So this is the end of the I'm calling it chapter 0. The next chapter, which is chapter 1, because that's how math works, will be introductory set theory. And as I said earlier, it is a pure introduction to it and providing basic examples and definitions for the subject.